Welcome to my channel. I'm glad to meet you here. I share craft projects and behind the scenes of running my small jewelry business. Today I'm taking you along as I design and create a St. Valentine's macrame jewelry collection, from sketching the ideas to releasing them on Etsy. I launched my business last autumn, and the first few months were overwhelming to say the least. I didn't release anything special for Christmas, but I knew I wanted to create something for Valentine's Day. After all, while you can express your love any day, this holiday offers a beautiful opportunity to give something special to someone dear. I started with sketches. I use a sketch app on my phone and a physical sketchbook. There is something so satisfying about cracking open a fresh page and letting my ideas flow. Don't you agree? Once I was happy with my design, I prepared the threads and began experimenting with different knots and textures. Even with a detailed sketch, once I start making the jewelry, there is always room for changes. It's part of the creative process. I believe it's crucial to leave room for mistakes and new ideas. After all, that's how your work grows into something truly beautiful. I was lucky to have beautiful weather while making these pieces, so I could work outside and enjoy the sunshine. There is something about fresh air and nature that sparks my creativity. The process of working with your hands is incredibly grounding. It's like a meditation. I can get lost in the process, completely zoning out of what is happening around me. For this part, I invite you to take a small pause and just observe the process. The final piece I worked on was a choker with heart-shaped beads. I tried experimenting with using different thread colors in one piece to make it stand out more. What do you think? Does it add something special, or would you have preferred it in a single color? Let me know in the comments. Once all the pieces were finished, it was time to take some product photos. Being new to the game, I'm still figuring out the best ways to showcase my work. The weather wasn't as great by this point, so I had to get a bit creative with my lighting and background. Fun fact, I used my dress, which I had recently bought for a wedding, as a backdrop for one of my shots. Who knew it would have such a symbolic purpose? Finally, the moment of truth. Releasing the collection on Etsy. It's nerve-wracking, exciting, and a bit emotional all at once. When you put so much time and love into your creations, it's hard not to get attached. It makes you feel vulnerable, but that's also what makes it so special. Before going live, I wanted to be sure everything was ready, so I even packed a mock order to work out all the details. I haven't made a sale with this collection yet, but that's okay. I'm proud of what I've created, and I'm excited to keep moving forward. Even though Valentine's Day has passed, these pieces are timeless and deserve to be worn year-round. Here are some ideas on how to style them, whether you're dressing up for a formal event or just getting cozy at home. If you're interested in purchasing one of these pieces or any of my other jewelry designs, be sure to check out my Etsy shop. The link is in the description box below. Thank you for coming along with me on this journey. Let me know in the comments which part of the process you found most interesting. Don't forget to subscribe to see more crafting content and behind the scenes of running a small jewelry business. Also, be sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok for more updates. Until next time, happy crafting!